Kohler kt745 26 horsepower 7000 series. Only running on one cylinder.
When did you last clean or perform maintenance on your Kohler engine? How old is it?
Earlier this year.
How long has this been going on with your Kohler engine? What have you tried so far?
And it is like a 2014.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
Both plugs are firing, compression is around 120 on both cylinders.
Hello and thank you for using JustAnswers. From your initial description and what you have done so far, the next thing I would recommend doing is to pull the valve cover off of the cylinder side that is not working. Check for bent or loose push rods and rocker arms.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.